Is this so special about the courses? Allow you to find what your strengths, to get the numbers of your daily chart.
When we look at the pie chart, we will know that.
So, what is this so special about the courses? What it can help you? The course is about telling you how to use date of birth to chart out a chart that can reveal your strength, your opportunity, your weaknesses, your traits, your learning behavior, your DISC profilings, and your upcoming challenges in 2022. On you master the calculation of this Pythagoras diagram that can allow you to find what your strengths, what your weaknesses, what your opportunity, and what your traits, in order for you to excel in your life. By doing that, you need to chart, yearly chart for yourself. This is very complicated. How to chart? I'm just new learn. But we have done the hard works for you. We will compile the report from 1 to 9. If you are born on the December 29, so to get the numbers of your daily chart, to see the report, you must understand. You get the first two numbers. Number 1 is your day numbers. What is day numbers? The 2, 9. 2 plus 9 equal to 11. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. You just write down 2. Okay? The second is the month number. The month number is 12, December. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So, your month number is 3. So, the numbers of your life chart on 2022. 2 plus 3, 5. So, when you look at the report, you look for numbers 5. How about if you are born on July 15? So, same step. The first step is get your days numbers. 15, 1, 5. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. And then July is 7. So, 7 is only single digit numbers. It's only 7. So, 7 plus 6, 13. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So, when you look at the chart, you look at the graph with number 4.
If you are born on January 3rd.
So, first step, get your days numbers. 3, because you're only single digit, 3. Plus your month number, January 1. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Same, you're looking for the chart report number 4. Now, you know how to get the yearly chart. So, what about the yearly chart? What is described for you, for your numbers and the vibration?
Hey, last time you already talked about the yearly number of 1, 2, 3. Then how about the number of 4, 5, 6?
Well, I had already asked my friend to talk about the number of 4, 5, 6. Let's take a look.
If your yearly number is 4, then this year, everything starts from you, including your success and failure are based on yourself. Choose things that you are good at and people that you can control so that everything will go smoothly. First half year, you need to prioritize on solving your financial issues. You can go multiple directions if you don't have anything in mind. Don't limit yourself to what you see. Think out of the box. Second half year, you have the opportunity to become a leader, but you need to have a good mentality adjustment. That leading others versus do it yourself are totally different. Using wrong strategy will lead to bad ending. Based on the pie chart, your wealth, networking, and concentration are quite good because each of them has 25%, while your goal has 30% and your mentor has 12%. If your yearly number is 5, then this year, you will realize the importance of money and feel the urge of having a sense of security of it. Besides, communication skills are very important too, as possessiveness can be used in deal-making business and talent dealing. Good communication skill can do more with less work. Besides, enlarging your team is the best way to increase your income. The bigger the size of your team, the more advantage you have this year. Based on the pie chart, your wealth, communication, and execution are quite good because each of them has 25%, while your network has 30% and your goal has 12%. If your yearly number is 6, then this year you have the opportunity to lead the industry, but you need to act accordingly. Because the new opportunity are lack of reference data and stability. First half year, you need to take note of your spending on money, because this year there are many things in need of money. Expense without control will lead to the urge of money during emergency. Second half year, you have infinity opportunity, but you need to stay calm and measure the stability of the opportunity before making any decision. Based on the pie chart, your wealth and chance are quite good because each of them has 38%, while your equity has 25%. If you wish to know more about the numbers, you can click into the link in the description box. Stay tuned to our next video.